In the last episode, we were testing our clickable prototype in the Swiss Alps. But now it's time to get real. We have to connect our existing website with this app that we're about to build. So they have to look at the architecture of this and make it all fit together. To do that, we're going to meet with Judith. What is software architecture?
We need to find a technical solution to our problem now, and we like to have some big picture overview of it and maybe look at the constraints of the system.
If I've understood it right, it's sort of like building a house. So it's related to architecture. You've got to have, floor, walls, a roof that matches the width from the floors, some water plumbing, electricity, and building an app is sort of like building a garage. Same color, same plumbing, same electricity, would you say?
Come on, it's more than a garage.
What are we going to do now then?
We need to understand how to integrate the new application into your environment.
All right.
So first we need to understand what kind of systems you have running now. Maybe we go to the whiteboard to draw the components. Yeah, you have a website, right?
Yep.
The Stompit website.
Yep.
So you have the free videos on YouTube and the logged ones in Vimeo.
Yeah.
Great. What about payment?
Also two systems actually.
Why do you have two payment systems? What about users? And do you store the information, what users you have and what tutorials they access?
So I checked the documentation on my site, and apparently my users are stored in a database called MySQL. I have no idea what that stands for.
So now we have an overview about your current system. Which devices need to be supported by the new app?
I do have Google Analytics, maybe we could check there.
Yeah, let's do that. Good, we have almost half of the users are mobile users, and some desktop users and a few tablet users.
Apparently 50% of my users are on mobile, 40% desktop, and only 10% on tablet.
Oh look, we have a lot of iPhone devices and also some Samsung Galaxies, pretty new ones. So what if the app still works offline and you could watch your videos, but maybe the payment is down for a few hours?
Well, I'm a pretty small business, so I don't think I'm gonna lose a lot of customers on that.
How important is it to you that the app is fast?
Well, that's one of the main reasons I want to make this app, because my website takes a while to load because it has so much photos. So I'd like it to be faster for all the people out in the mountains where the reception is poor.
Do you have any idea when the app should be finished?
Well, by winter would be great. Do you need any more information from me?
Right now it's okay. I already have the documentation that you sent me, and I'd like to discuss it now with my team members.
All right.
Maybe if you want, you can sit in.
Sorry guys, but I gotta say one thing. Sitting in on this meeting is challenging. 90% of the time I have no clue what's going on. So I have to give up all my trust to you guys. Thanks. I think it will be a good app. Judith, can you explain now what was really going on in that meeting?
So to summarize, we have our mobile application here, and we will use a framework called Flutter.
All right, why is that?
It allows us to write the application only once for iOS and Android, and we want to save cost. But at the same time, it's as fast as a native app.
So Flutter is a framework, but what's the language?
So Flutter uses a language called Dart. That's a bit like Java. And to get the data from the database, we need actually here another component, a backend. We don't want to expose the database directly to the internet. That's why we have this part here that accesses the data that we need and transforms it a little bit, that we have exactly the data that we want to consume from the app. We also need to get the videos, so we need to connect to the video services and the payments as well.
Hey Judith, thanks a lot for analyzing my situation and making this software architecture. Plus teaching me and that.
Yeah, now I'm looking forward to start building it together with my teammates.
So what is going to happen now is that the guys here, they're going to work in sprints of 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks' time, I'm actually going to get to try this app. But before doing that, in the next episode, we are going to learn how to write our first lines of code. So see you then.